Okay, Ethan compared the prices of 4 different brands of juice shown in the table below. This brand, look at this one right here, brand F at 4 ounces, it's that much, so forth, and so forth. Which brand of juice offers a proportional relationship between the number of ounces and its price? Proportional means that it goes to the origin. And there's different ways of looking at this one, but you can just see that it'll double, triple, and so forth. So this is at 4 ounce, like this one right here, and this one right here. This is at 8 ounces, so if it's twice as big, times 2, and this should be twice as big. Make sense? Twice as big, twice as big. So all of them are proportional in the very beginning. Right? And then from here to here, it's going to be times 3. So that one times 3 is not $1.50, it's $1.80. This one times 3 is not that much. This one times 3 is not that much. Times 3 though. It's the one that changes constantly by the same. See, the change by 4, by 4, by 4, then it's going to change by 50, by 50, by 50. I'm going to say brand J. Calculator-wise, you're going to use calculators. If you want to use the calculators, it's going to go right here. 4 goes to 50, adds 8 goes to 1, 12 goes to 150, and so forth. And I'll use the calculator straight on that one. So definitely you want to go to this in spreadsheets. I'm going to go to this in spreadsheets. And then remember the 4 ounces goes to 50 cents, 0.5. 8 ounces goes to $1, 1.00. 12 ounces goes to $1.50. Okay, I can come back over here. Menu 413. Come out here, B, and then control this left-hand side. Now what happens here, you're going to see that B is equal to 0. Proportion means it goes to the origin. So J, brand J is your answer. Okay, so this is question 2. Which table shows a proportional relationship between X and Y? Proportional, again, it basically goes to the origin. And there's several things that happen when it goes to the origin. When it goes to the origin, as far as us, all of these things mean lists and spreadsheets, right? So you're going to go to the menu, and then 413. We're going to get our M, whatever number it is, and we're going to get our B. But the B has to be 0. So I'm going to just, I guess, go down the line here and do the list and spreadsheets and look for B to be 0. That's it. Very easy. So remember, proportional means that the B is equal to 0. Start a whole new one. Just make sure you start a whole new one each and every single time. I'm going to I'll put these because they're all positive. I don't have to worry about putting too much numbers. Okay, I'll put this one, this one, this one, this one, just because those are more numbers to press. You can put any two you want. 3, -4, and then 10, and 35. Come back over here and I go to menu, 413. I'll go to B, control this left-hand side. So B is not equal to 0 there. Now for these out here, I actually got to change the numbers. Just type right over them. Just a -1. And a 6 and a -2. Actually, so weird. That's my answer. So glad it came out in this video here. I don't know why, but the -1.08 and the negative e to -15 means to move it like scientific notation back 15 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's actually 15. 14 zeros. I must count. And the negative over here. It's so close to 0, it's ridiculous. Let me put over here that these are not the answers. Again, that's a 0. That's a weird 0, but that's the way it's going to be. So -3. -14. We have a 4 and the 7. And doesn't match up. I'll go with a -3 and a -4 here. And I'll go with 3 and -6 here. So none of them give you that B to be 0, except unfortunately a weird way. I don't know why it's working like that, but it's been doing that lately. This one right here. So we're going to go with, to show you again, that's going to be 3 -1. And then over here it'll be 6 -2. So again, that's 0. So the proportionality or proportional is going to be right here. B, it gives you a 0 right here. All right. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it's doing that, but that's just the way it went.